How to fix Instagram video lag. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video lag easy and fast. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down and click on apps, and then go to apps right here. And now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and it will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find the Instagram app and click on it, and now click on this force stop option and go to this data usage, and now disable the background data and the roaming data, and go back, click on storage and the clear data and clear cache, then go back again. And now all what you have to do is just restart your phone and try the Instagram now. I hope the problem is solved. If it's not, please make sure to go to Play Store and check if there is a new update to update your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.